Literal questions. Year 3. Can I answer literal questions about a text? Here are some top tips for answering literal questions about any text. First of all, make sure you read everything, the whole text. Even the headings and labels may help you to answer a question. Next, read each question carefully. If necessary, read it again so that you understand exactly what you're being asked to do. Number 3 top tip. Always find your answer in the text. If you think you remember what you read, go back and read that bit again, just to make sure you have the correct answer. Don't just write the first thing that pops into your head. Finally, scan the text for any keywords from the question. This will lead you to the information that you need. Okay, here is a short text followed by some literal questions. Now our first top tip is to read the whole text, so let's do that. The Louvre Museum is located in Paris, the capital of France. It is one of the world's most visited art museums. The Louvre was first opened to the public as a museum in 1793 during the French Revolution. There are 35,000 works of art on display at the museum, including the famous Mona Lisa painting by Leonardo da Vinci. Now, let's read the first question. What is the Louvre? And I'm scanning the text and looking for the keyword Louvre. And it's right at the start. The Louvre Museum, located in Paris. Is there any more information? It's one of the world's most visited art museums. So I know that the Louvre Museum is an art museum. Next question. In which country is the Louvre? So I'm going to scan the text and look for the name of a country. The Louvre Museum is located in Paris. Well, Paris is a capital city, and it's the capital city of France. I know that France is a country. The Louvre is located in France. Next question. When did the Louvre first open? When is asking me for a date or a time, so the answer could be numbers that look like a date, and the key word is open. So I'm going to scan the text and look for Louvre, open and a date. Let's look down. The Louvre was first opened to the public as a museum in 1793. Okay. Let's look at the next question. How many works of art are on display? How many is asking me for a number. So I need to look through the text, scan the text for a number next to the key phrase works of art. Let's have a look. And I can see a couple of numbers. It's not that one. That was the date. Another number here, 35,000 works of art are on display. So the answer is 35,000. And finally, question 5. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Well, who is asking me for a name, and names start with capital letters. So I'm looking for a word that looks like a name, starting with the capital letter, and it's near the information about the Mona Lisa. So let's scan down again, and we're looking for a name. We've got the Mona Lisa painting, and it's by Leonardo da Vinci. So the name is Leonardo da Vinci. Good. Now it's a good idea, once you've finished your answers, to read the questions again carefully and check that you did get the correct information for each question.